When Henry Ford invented the moving assembly line in 1913, it ushered in a new era of manufacturing. Automobiles could be crafted with exacting attention to detail. Factories became dynamic places. They could be configured for greater efficiency and nimbly adjusted for vehicle improvements. Assembly stations could be designed according to how human bodies moved, and workers could develop their expertise through repeated practice. Assembly lines are constantly being optimized, yet the process can be time-consuming and expensive. That's why Ford is innovating again, by virtually manufacturing its vehicles before they're even built. Using advanced 3D modeling technology, Ford can simulate the manufacturing process digitally. Where before it took months to optimize an assembly line, today Ford can determine the best practices in days. This means accelerated time to market, improved quality, and better working conditions. Virtual manufacturing has reduced production issues across Ford's global network by an estimated 90% since 2002. Just as Henry Ford transformed the face of automotive manufacturing over 100 years ago, with virtual manufacturing, Ford continues to lead the industry and drive innovation forward today.